you like building with your hands and solving real problems, this program's for you. Carpentry and Renovation Technician is a 2-year diploma that teaches you wood framing, finished carpentry and renovation skills, all using the tools and techniques you'd see on the job. You'll learn how to read and interpret construction plans, frame walls and floors, install doors and windows, and complete finished trim work. Renovation skills are included too, so you'll know how to repair, upgrade, and adapt existing structures. Every week you spend time in the shop practicing, measuring, cutting, and assembling, the kind of hands-on work that prepares you for entry-level carpentry and renovation roles. Safety and proper technique are emphasized in every class. By the time you graduate, you've built a strong foundation in carpentry and renovation, and you leave ready to step onto a job site with confidence.
When I started, I didn't know how to frame a wall or set a door. Now I'm doing full walls, installing windows, and putting on trim. Everything we learn, we get to do in the shop. I also like that we cover renovation, so we're not just building new stuff, we're learning how to fix and upgrade old buildings too. It's challenging, but by the end of the program, you can see how everything fits together, and it makes you feel ready to work in the field.
This program gives you real-world carpentry and renovation skills, plus the experience and confidence to start your career right away. You'll leave with the knowledge and hands-on ability that employers are looking for in entry-level carpenters.